Alright, so I found what the problem was. The problem was pretty much because this import ethers project shims was only imported as the top of the scaffold page, whereas I could actually put this on top of here, like on index, right? And now this application will always work. Cool. So if I go here, you can actually see that this address, so I actually like picked up some address from Snowtrace that does have some, some amount of gOhm. So this address has this much gOhm. And if I actually go into network and change the default network to AVAX, like it's actually right here, yeah. So once I do this, you can see that it can actually show the balance of gOhm in this account. It's pretty amazing. However, the price is not getting loaded right now. I wonder if I can get the price using some other kind of clever technique on the AVAX chain. And the way that I'm thinking about doing it is to pretty much getting the AVAX price and then multiplying the AVAX price by the gOhm price. So I think that's how we're going to do it. So let's go here, trader joe.xyz. All right, cool. So let's go to trade. Actually, let's go to pool and gOhm. Let's just search it. This should show it. gOhm. Let's go to all. Oh yeah, there we go. gOhm AVAX. Oh, interesting because we got a gOhm wrap stick ohm, and at the same time a gOhm USDC. None of these really have that much liquidity. I think this is the best pool to kind of take a look at if we are thinking about like a proper pool that will always give us the correct price. So let's actually come here and address and take a look at this. All right, cool. So if we come into the contract, this is pretty much, oh, it actually is showing govern like gOhm token. So gOhm AVAX. Oh, interesting. So this is not a typical Uniswap pool, it seems like. Because I wanted to see how much I can get, like how much gOhm I can get from some AVAX. But this seems to be, oh, so it's got pool and then this and then slash AVAX. Alright, cool. So I'm guessing that most of the gOhm should be probably held by some contract. So it's probably mostly held by the pool itself. So that's a really good place to look at if we want to find out how much gOhm there is. So there we go. This is it, and it's some contract that has it. Let's take a look at the contract. I'm pretty certain that this is probably some filtered by address holder. So like, let's go here. All right, cool. So this is a Joe LP token. Okay, cool. And if we come here to the contract, read contract, and if we go to token 0, it should probably have a token 0. Yeah, token 0. So we have token 0, token 1. Token 0 itself is gOhm. Token 1 is wrapped AVAX. Okay, there we go. We found the pool for gOhm and AVAX. And then we can do the same thing that we did with the other one. And both of these things seem to have the same amount of decimals. So that's pretty cool. So when you divide one over the other, that'll pretty much give you the price. So all of that is really cool with all this newfound information. We can jump back into our code and go to address book. There we go. Over here, I could probably put gOhm and then AVAX. Well, to be oh. Alright, I'm gonna hang up and continue later.